Hello guys, today we are going to solve this probability question. A bag contains 4 red balls and 6 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Its color is observed and 2 more same colored balls are added to the bag. Now a ball is drawn random from the bag, then the probability that the drawn ball is red is. So let's first, initially there were 4 red balls and 6 black balls. So the initial probability of picking a red ball was 4 upon 10. So with that, if the red ball is actually picked, then there are 2 more red balls that are added to the bag. That becomes 6 red balls and 6 black balls. If not, then 4 red balls and 6 plus 2, 8 black balls. So if the red balls picked and are actually added to 2 red balls are actually added to the bag, then we have, using total probability theorem, 6 upon 12 probability plus, now if this is 6 upon 10, now if the black ball is picked, then its probability is 6 upon 10, and from that bag, when 2 more black balls are added, the probability of getting a red ball would be 4 upon 12. So let's try to solve this. 1 upon 2, 2, 5. 2 gets cancelled out, and 2, 2, and 2 gets cancelled out. So we have 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So the final answer is 2 upon 5. So the probability of picking out a red ball from the final set of balls is 2 upon 5, that is option D.